Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're cleaning a few rooms in my home because I have unexpected guests arriving tomorrow. But first, I need to clear these boxes off my table. I purchased these items from Amazon and Walmart on Amazon Prime Day because they were about 20 to 30% off. And also they were items that I needed. But I noticed when I opened my hair products from Mizani, I ordered the Mizani gel versus the moisturizer. You know what's worse than ordering the wrong thing? Ordering the wrong thing twice. Now that my dining room's clean, I need to go upstairs and start in the guest room. I want to begin by putting this duvet cover in the laundry. Apparently someone threw luggage on it and left this stain on there. You know what? I think I did that. But anyway, let's get this in the laundry. I need to dust my pictures. They look like they had been hanging in the desert. Lord Jesus. You got me left upon it, you and me. Got me loose in sleep. I turned on my iRobot to help me vacuum so I can hurry up and move in my son's room. And when I get in my son's room, I look at his coverlet and look like he used his coverlet as a washcloth because it's filthy. But I decided I'm going to go ahead and put that in the washer with his duvet cover. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. I figured since I'm already in here, I might as well do some dusting and make his bed. No, wait now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this system. It seems like the dust traveled from my guest room to my son's room. I'm surprised he was able to breathe in here. As I was taking his sheets and coverlet down to the laundry room, I noticed my iRobot, and I call her my girl sometimes, was doing some vacuuming in the hallway, and I'm just hoping she'll move into my son's room. So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. So my girl did move into my son's room, but she did not do a good job. I had to go behind her and use my Swifter, and you would not believe how dirty this Swifter was when I was done. I get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got the system of favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. I figure I'd get my girl a good cleaning because it's not like her to miss so many spots. And it worked because she did hook me up later. I'm now moving in the family room. I want to knock some of my fur baby's hair off the couch and give it a good cleaning. I do this every day, and the main reason is because I remember visiting a friend once, and she has a fur baby, and I sat on her couch, and I was covered in dog hair when I stood up. I'll never forget the look of embarrassment on her face. Bless her heart. I'm now upstairs cleaning the hallway bath that's shared between the guest room and my youngest son's room. And I'm glad I did because it was nasty. Change your mind. For love or pity, let me know. Not now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing?
like a heart attack. Someone help me.
While sweeping, I noticed I couldn't get that crud out of the corner, so I had to get on my hands and knees and use a Clorox wipe to get it out. And if y'all could see me trying to get up from the floor, these knees are not what they used to be.
We let love go. How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your...
While checking on my laundry, I decided to wipe down the laundry cabinets, counters, washer, and dryer, as well as the tub where I soak my whites in borax. I didn't clean the tub after I did my extreme laundry video, and if you didn't see that video, go back and check it out.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out.
The next day I noticed the water was brown in my sink, my toilet, and my tub. Apparently the water company was doing repairs and didn't bother to tell anyone. Max was just as grossed out as I was.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me?
If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching, and also please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Now